The 2027 Tesla Model Y 2027 and Volvo EC40 2027 are packed with more than just obvious upgrades. Beneath the surface, both EVs introduce hidden features and smart engineering that completely change daily driving and extreme condition performance. Hidden tech tricks. The Model Y's Hey Grok assistant goes far beyond simple voice commands. You can create location-based reminders or ask complex questions naturally, making the car feel more like a smart companion than just a vehicle. Another subtle feature is the adaptive suspension logic. It learns your daily routes and adjusts ride comfort automatically, smoothing out familiar bumps and potholes over time without any manual input from the driver. Even safety gets a clever upgrade. The ambient lighting now doubles as blind spot alerts, flashing red when needed. Rear passengers also gain more control, including sending navigation directions directly to the front screen. Design and performance. On the outside, the updated light bar design gives the Model Y a futuristic identity, while aerodynamic tweaks improve efficiency. It's not just styling. These changes help extend range and enhance stability at highway speeds. Inside, the cabin is significantly quieter thanks to full acoustic glass and upgraded materials. The soft-touch interior and refined layout create a more premium feel, especially during long drives or daily commutes. Performance remains strong, with the AWD version hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.1 seconds and offering roughly 320 miles of range. Pricing stays competitive, starting under $40,000 with availability already underway. Winter performance. The EC40 focuses heavily on reliability in extreme weather. Its twin-motor performance system produces 442 horsepower and reacts instantly to changing traction, making it highly capable on snow and icy roads. Thermal management is a key strength. With battery preconditioning and an efficient heat pump, the EC40 maintains around 75% of its range even in freezing temperatures, which is critical for real-world usability. The design also stands out with its Black Edition styling, while the interior emphasizes sustainability with leather-free materials. Google Built-in keeps everything intuitive, combining smart tech with practical winter-ready performance. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden features and real-world tests, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives. Let me know which EV surprised you most, and stay tuned for the next breakdown.